Hello guys, welcome to my channel all about products. We're here with more awesome products from AliExpress and Amazon. Links are in the description, so don't miss them. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more update. Let's get started. Start your day right with the mini single serve K-Cup coffee maker. Brew the perfect 6 to 12 ounce cup in minutes. Compact, stylish, and designed for small spaces, with built-in cord storage for a clutter-free counter. Enjoy convenience and style in every sip. This slim 2-slice toaster fits 2 slices side by side with extra long, wide slots. With 6 shade settings and a high-lift lever, perfect toast is at your fingertips. Plus, its space-saving design saves up to 50% more counter space. Upgrade your kitchen with this 15-piece knife set featuring a self-sharpening block and dishwasher-safe design. With razor-sharp blades, anti-slip handles, and 6 steak knives, it's perfect for effortless cooking. Introducing the 33 PCS non-stick silicone cooking utensil set, your perfect kitchen companion. Featuring natural quality wooden handles and soft silicone heads that won't scratch your pots, these tools ensure safe and effortless cooking. The set includes a larger utensil holder for easy storage, keeping your kitchen neat and organized. Upgrade your cooking experience today. Introducing the premium oil dispenser bottle, designed for convenience and precision. Made from thick, unbreakable, lead-free glass, it features a wide opening for easy refills and a built-in straw with a filter to remove impurities. With dual spray control, press slowly for a columnar spray or quickly for a fan-shaped mist. The backflow hole design prevents leakage, ensuring a mess-free experience. Perfect for cooking, grilling, and dressing your favorite dishes. Digital kitchen scale is the golden standard for food measurement. Slim and compact. It's easy to store and adds a modern touch to your kitchen scale. Could weight anything up to 11 pounds, making it the perfect kitchen device for your cooking needs. The digital kitchen scale operates on 3 AA batteries and has a sleek blue LCD display. It also features a smart tier function. Place any empty container on the scale and press tare to easily. Remove the container's weight from the scale. Find exact measurements right away. Switch between milliliters for water, milliliters for liquids like milk balances, pounds and grams, all with the push of a button. Milk measurements accounts for liquids that have heavier densities. Use a scale to weight food, jewelry, even postage. Digital kitchen scale helps you build on better living. Introducing the ultimate sponge holder for kitchen sink. Your all-in-one sink caddy with adjustable partitions for customized storage. Designed with a high brush holder and soap dispenser, it keeps your essentials organized and within reach. Say goodbye to clutter and keep your sink area neat and tidy. Perfect for every modern kitchen. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite in the comments below. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.